Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. So I'm back with my weekly horoscope. So this is the week for 21st of December till 27th of December based on your zodiac moon sign. सो अगेन मैं आपको यही बोलती हूँ इन केस आपको आपका मून साइन नहीं पता है सो आप ये जोडियक सन साइन के हिसाब से देख सकते हैं वॉट एवर रेजोनेट विथ यू सो ये आखिरी हफ्ता है देन वी विल रीच टू 2026 तो चलिए देखते हैं यूनिवर्स आपको ये आखिरी हफ्ते में क्या गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं क्या आपके लिए मैसेज है यूनिवर्स की तरफ से ताकि आपका ये हफ्ता अच्छा जाए और आने वाला साल आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा हो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you will get the notifications of my new videos every time I upload. Also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get guidances from the universe for the week. I will put down timestamp of all the zodiac signs. It is easy for you to check yours. Also, all my social media handles will be there in the YouTube description. You can also connect with me through these channels and always reach out to me for any assistance. So let's start without wasting any time. First zodiac sign is Aries. तो चलिए देखते हैं ये हफ्ता मेष राशि के लिए कैसा रहेगा. ओके सो एरीज आपके लिए कार्ड आया है द वर्ल्ड विच मीन्स दिस इज अ ब्रिलियंट सक्सेस वीक फॉर यू. आपने जो भी काम किया है उसके लिए आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. योर हार्ड वर्क विल बी प्रेज्ड बाय योर सुपीरियर्स. You will get promotion, salary increment or trophy for achieving your goals. Also, it is a completion week, so whatever projects you were doing, it is about to get completed and you are ready to face new challenges, the freedom to go in any direction, whatever goals, the new goals which you will be setting for the coming year, you will start from scratch and have a great time ahead. Whatever challenges you will now face, you are ready to face it. So journey one is now complete and you are ready to face new challenges, new goals and new opportunities. Also students might get graduate certificate, or if you are single you might get married, or married can plan ahead for baby or go for a world tour. So all the best Aries. चलिए लेट अस मूव ऑन टू टॉरस. देखते हैं वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है इस हफ्ते. लेट मी पुल द कार्ड. ओके सो टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड आया है किंग ऑफ समर का, which means this week you are very devoted towards your family, towards your partner. You're very warm hearted and mature person. Also you are a romantic partner with whom your partner can trust you, or you will find a romantic partner with whom you can trust. So singles might get a romantic partner, or already in your relationship this is the right partner for you. Also if you are searching for advice, you can reach out to someone and you will get an excellent advice directly from the heart, or people can reach out to you, look up to you to get advice which you will be giving it from the heart. Also you might get involved in some cultural activities or some creative endeavors. Christmas is coming, so maybe you will enjoy yourself in some creative activities, cultural activities. You will plan Christmas party for your colleagues, friends. So overall it is a good for week for you Taurus. All the best. चलिए लेट अस मूव अहेड एंड सी द गाइडेंस फॉर जेमिनाई. मिथुन राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड आया है. लेट मी पुल द कार्ड फॉर जेमिनाई. ओके जेमिनाई फॉर यू द कार्ड इज जस्टिस विच मीन्स you will get justice this week, so you have to review carefully what you have done, what deeds you have done. अच्छा है तो अच्छा फल मिलेगा, बुरा कुछ किया है, गलत किया है तो उसका भी फल इसी टाइम पे मिलेगा. सो इट इज अ टाइम टू रिव्यू द डिटेल्स केयरफुली as you will be rewarded as per your deeds. Also if you are fighting any legal battles, rest assured you will win in the end. You will get justice. Singles might get married and in a court, or so you can take fair and objective decisions which you will be responsible for it, whether it is for yourself or for your team. So be careful while taking any decisions. Listen to your heart, observe carefully, and then take the decision, because you will be responsible for yourself or for your team. So all the best, Gemini. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Cancer. कर्क राशि के लिए देखते हैं क्या कार्ड आया है. ओके, सो कैंसर, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 of Autumn, which means you have to have patience this week and don't worry. Take time to rest and then plan your next week. So don't be in a hurry. Things will move slowly as per universe wishes. So you have to have patience. Continue do hard work. Definitely you will get rewarded for your hard work, but you have to have patience. Don't rush out things. Also, you might plan for a long term investment, whether it is for your time or money. So be careful in making the investment. It should be helpful for you in the long run. So a prudent investment of time or money, that is what the card says. So you have to plan it carefully, whether you are investing somewhere in money or you are, of your time. So everything is important, so it should be, patiently have to do it, and you should, check whether it is good for you for the long run. So all the best, Cancer. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo, Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is 2 of Summer, which means this is the week where you might be in a serious commitment relationship. You fall in love. Singles will get love of their life. They will fall in love and have a serious commitment in relationships. Already in a relationship, definitely you will be in a serious commitment with someone. Also, if your relationships are struggling, forgiveness is the right key, and definitely when you have an open communication with your partner, this will be the resolution of a problem. Definitely you will get the resolution to your problem. Don't give up, continue trying. Your relationship will definitely be healed. For that you have to have patience, have an open communication with your partner. Then you will definitely find the resolution of your problem and your relationship will be healed. The only thing is, don't give up and continue doing hard work. All the best, Leo. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. चलिए देखते हैं वर्गो के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स से. ओके, वर्गो, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 of Summer, which means no more procrastinating. You have to choose right decision. Don't be procrastinate कि आज का काम कल, and no, you have to choose the right decision. Confusion arises when you overanalyze the situations too much. You have multiple options and you overanalyze. अच्छा ये करना है तो ऐसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे करेंगे तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. Too much of over analyze will create confusion. So you have the power, make the right decision and don't be confused. Take proper research, think about it which is benefit for you, and then take the right decision, then choose the right option. So you have to be on your toes, on your mind, that this is the right choice. There might be so many choices, but don't overanalyze. Think patiently and then choose the right option. All the best, Virgo. Chaliye, let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, that is Libra, Tula Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is 5 of Winter, which means this is the time to walk away from dishonest associations. Sometimes we make friends or we have somebody which are not honest with us, which might create difficulties. So it is the time to walk away from dishonest association. realizing that what you thought you wanted isn't the best choice for your happiness. So universe knows what is good for us and what is bad for us, what gives us happiness. So sometimes it happens what we have thought of is not the right choice, because universe knows which gives us happiness. Sometimes we, out of emotions, out of sentiments, we hold on things, and whether it is friends or whether it is partner, anything, we hold on for it, and they are dishonest with us. So, and our heart doesn't say to move out, but universe knows better things for us. So it is the time to walk away from dishonest situations, and don't worry if this choice is not the right choice. Universe will give more happiness to you. This might not be the worth of your efforts. That's what universe is saying. Don't hold on things. Don't give too much importance to dishonest associations. Walk away. Sometimes what you have thought is not the right choice for your happiness, something that is not worth your effort. So the best option is to move ahead, or the best option is to move away from such things. All the best, Libra. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio. Let's see वृश्चिक राशि के लिए क्या guidance है. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 10 of spring, which means you are having anxiety, too much of things in your shoulders. Ask for help from others. Don't carry too much burden on your shoulders. Delegate your responsibilities, because too much of things will create stress and anxiety in you. So better ask for help from others. You are doing too much of work and no relaxation, no play, being weighed down by too many responsibilities, which is causing you stress, anxiety. So the card is telling ask for help from others. Don't do too much of work. It's time to seek help from others. Sometimes we have to say no. All the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance for Sagittarians. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is unity, which means it is the time to do the right things for the right reason. Sometimes we do right thing for wrong reason, or wrong things for the right person. So it is the time to do the right thing for right reason. Also compare traditional versus new approaches. So you might be modern, so you have modern ways of planning, and some people are more of traditional. So choose the right option which is good for you. It is not to take, to feel disappointed or sad that you are using traditional verses and people are making fun. So no, which is best for you, choose the right option, whether it is traditional or whether it is new ways. Anything is okay, until unless that makes you happy. Also you might join some spiritual minded community to get some peace of mind and to learn new things. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn. Let's see what is the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn, for you the card is the Emperor. So this week you have to use your logic and a structured approach to increase your success. Be organized, get organized. Don't be clumsy. Things will not work out in your favor if you're clumsy. You have to be organized. You have to use your logic and structured approach to increase your success. You are a firm but a compassionate leader who is ambitious and who knows how to achieve goals. So use your logic to achieve success. All the best, Capricorn. Let us move ahead to check the guidance for Aquarius. Let's see what is stored for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is Two of Spring, which means a bright future manifested through hard work and creativity. So this is the time to manifest bright future through your hard work and dedication, through your creativity. Also you might be partnering with others who share the same dreams and who will help to fulfill the goals. So if you partner with someone who share the same dreams and you collaborate together, then you will achieve success. Great progress being made. You are on the right direction. Keep on moving ahead and you will reach your goals. So this is the right week to plan your goals, manifest your goals, and your hard work and creativity will lead to success. All the best, Aquarius. चलिए the last zodiac sign Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is Princess of Autumn, which means this week you are very responsible and cheerful. Happy news about your career this week, Pisces. It can be promotion, or if you are a student you might get scholarship which you are looking for higher studies. If you are going for a change in your career, this is the right week for you where you will get the career of your choice. You have to make a well thought plan to achieve success because that will go perfectly this week. So Pisces, you have to make a well thought plan. Also you need a little push, a little more hard work to keep you going, to get going and to achieve success. So all the best, Pisces. And thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this coming week will give you a lot of joy and happiness and you reach a new year with a positive note. So see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.